Masaya kasama si Kira sa set kasi nagdadala siya pagkain. Dasyo lang. Ang masaya sa set namin, hindi kami hiwa-hiwalay na tent. We're all in one big tent. Kaya, which worked really well. Kasi yung grupo namin, dapat talaga, they look like friends from for a really long time. At dahil sa tent, kung sa kami nag-waiting area or naka-hold, grabe. As in, lahat kami naging close din kasi we all eat all together, kwentuhan namin, parang nakaikot kami. You know, we just play games and stuff. Kaya, it's really, really fun. Wala naman naging trouble with our cast. Yes, syempre, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi from bahay ni Kuya tapos ngayon we're part of a movie na. You know, sobrang nakakatuwa na siya pa rin yung partner ko dito. Sa Team Kish, of course. And wala, masaya kasama si Kira sa set kasi nagdadala siya pagkain. Dasyo lang. She's very fun to be with on set kasi magugulat din siya. Tapos tinatakot ko siya. Kaya natatawa lang ako. Parang, how do you say it? Siya yung pampalight ng mood sa amin. So, I really like her being there. Yeah, don't take rest for granted. Lalo na yung namin is gabi. Yung shoot namin pang gabi. So, if you get the time to rest talaga. Kasi minsan yung mga iba po, after taping, let's say we start at 5 p.m., finish at 7 a.m. After 7 a.m., may pupuntahan pa silang iba. Kasi syempre, may araw na. It's day na. So, I think rest is very important. Yun yung napansin ko sa shoot namin.